With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. In this question, there are some assumptions are given, and these assumptions in the kinetic theory of gases. So we will explain that out of these four assumptions, which is not an assumption in kinetic theory of gases. So let's firstly discuss the assumptions in the kinetic theory of gases. So according to this, first assumption is that the gases are consist of tiny particles, and we can call that molecules. So we can write here that gases are composed of particles. These particles are called as molecules. So here, these assumptions are for the motion, kinetic motion of particles. So second assumption is, so these particles are moving. They move in a constant rapid straight line motion. So we can write here that gas molecules are in constant rapid or straight line motion. If the gas molecules are moving, then obviously they have some kinetic energy, and if they are moving, obviously they will collide with each other. So the collision between molecule is elastic. So we can write here collision between molecules is elastic, and there is no force between molecules. So we can write that the molecules of a gas have no attraction, and also we can write that there is no repulsion, attraction or repulsion for each other. Next one is that here each molecules have a different velocity. We can write each molecule of a gas has a different velocity. You can write speed. Different velocity. So now let's see what are the options are given here in the question. That first is that the volume occupied by a molecule of a gas is negligible. So that is correct. And second one, the force of attraction repulsion of molecules is negligible. It is also correct. And the collision between the molecules are elastic. That is also correct. And the D option, the molecules have a same speed. This is not an assumption because the molecules have a different speed. They have a different speed, not the same speed. So accordingly, our which option is correct? That our option D is the correct option. So this is the answer of this question. I hope you understood the explanation of this question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, ITG and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.